Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can use chatbot triggers on the BotPenguin platform. Chatbot triggers are used to make sure that when any user visits your website, then the chatbot's pop-up timing is perfect. To configure these settings, firstly you will have to go on the website chatbot. I am selecting this website chatbot from here. Then there is website chatbot settings section. Just click on that. Here we have the different subsections. If you want to know about any section in detail, then the link for the video website chatbot settings will be given in the description box below. You can check it. To configure the chatbot trigger settings, we'll go on the trigger section. From here, you can edit the time in seconds that the chatbot will take to automatically pop up on visitor's desktop device. For example, I am setting it 5 for now. Similarly, from here, you can select the time in seconds that the chatbot will take to automatically pop up on visitor's mobile. From here, you can configure the chatbot's pop-up behavior after a user closes the chat window. Here we have three options. You can select any of them. The first option is always open after on above specified triggers. That means once any user closes the chat window, the chat bubble will automatically open after the time that is selected above. The second option is automatically after selected amount of time. Here you can select the time specifically for this purpose. For example, I am selecting 8 seconds here. Also, we have another option that is never automatically open the bot. That means the bot will not automatically open once the user closes the chat window. You can enable this button if you do not want the chatbot to automatically open on your website. To save these changes, you have to click on the Save Changes button. Here you can see that your changes have been saved successfully. So you can customize your chatbot's trigger settings by using these steps. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.